Fox's Trick and Crane's Lesson. Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant forest, there lived a smart and playful fox named Felix. Felix was known throughout the forest for his crafty nature and love of playing pranks on the other animals. One sunny morning, Felix decided to invite his friend, Julie the crane, over for dinner. He wanted to show that he could be a friendly and welcoming host. However, Felix had a sneaky plan in mind. As Julie arrived at Felix's den, he was greeted with a warm welcome. Felix had made a tasty, good-smelling soup, and the yummy smell filled the air. Julie was happy and hungry, but there was a problem. Felix had served the soup in a shallow dish, making it impossible for Julie, with her long beak, to eat a single drop. Julie was confused and upset by Felix's trick, but she stayed calm and relaxed. She simply smiled and said, "Thank you for your kindness, dear friend. I have to admit, it looks like I can't eat your soup with my beak." Felix, realizing he had been outwitted, felt sorry. He quickly said he was sorry and offered to make it up to Julie. The next day, he invited Julie back to his den, this time serving a delicious meal on a long, deep plate that the crane could easily reach with his beak. Julie appreciated the gesture and forgave Felix, reminding him that real friendship should be built on being nice and showing respect, not tricks and lies. From that day on, Felix learned the value of being a true friend and stopped his tricky behavior, while Julie continued to be a loyal and understanding friend to the changed fox. Together, they had many more meals and adventures in the forest, proving that even the cleverest of pranksters can learn the importance of real friendship.